Anyway, we went on top of the big snowy mountain, which was right next to the bridge. We chose to come up here instead.
So cold. I have a day for. Look on the side of you.
I can't see that. Wait, come on. We found something interesting. Oh, no, 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 no. She found something interesting. What is it? I can't. It's a whole thing of emeralds.
What?
Oh my god, it's all emeralds. Oh my gosh. This is so...
Oh my god, we have to do this.
Oh my god, I was gonna end the video on top of the mountain, but oh my god, this looks so beautiful.
I can't end it. We can't end it like this.
It's up above clouds. Oh my god.
We can't end
It's so
this.
beautiful.
No, we cannot end this.
It's so beautiful. Oh my god, why is it so beautiful?
Now you're so.
Hello. Okay. As I was saying, please leave a like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss. Put that back.
No.
Okay, fine. Stop it. Hey, it's our mailbox. Ooh, I want to see what's in the mail. Oh, yeah, please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's get to the video.
Wait, let's grab some.
Can we just get to the video?
I'm grabbing some fireworks.
I'm getting to the... You know, if you're in creative or survival, the fireworks can kill you. I'm grabbing some extra fireworks and some extra elytra wings. You know what? I'm grabbing more fireworks because
I'm going to go upstairs.
Wait for me. We still need to check this place out. Let's check what's in our mailbox.
Upstairs is so pretty. We have a crafting table.
Will you wait for me?
It's only a crafting table.
Isn't this a parrot thing? A parrot kind of thing?
Yes. I'm going downstairs now.
Okay. I'm coming.
So pretty down
Wait!
here. We live by trees.
Wait.
There's trees and
You know you can talk louder. I'm pretty sure I can't hear
There's
you.
trees.
Okay, ready?
Go. Wait, I really want to do some fireworks.
Okay. Ooh, see, those are duds. So they can't kill you. Come on. We have to, like, don't we have to go somewhere to find the parrot island?
I think we have to do
What do we do? I can't remember what we have to do.
Hmm.
Okay, come on. Let's, fly, I guess.
I have one dud. I have lots of duds.
Yeah, they're meant to be duds.
Why?
So you can't kill yourself with flying? Are you in the ocean?
Oh, that's why they were for?
I'm flying!
Where are you? Where do you fly?
By the beacon. I'm flying by the beacon. Whoa! There's a bridge over here. I'm gonna be by the bridge.
How do you fly with it?
Remember, you double tap to fly or to glide, and then how you fly, you just you have to go on a part. Here, let me just... Do you want some help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna play
like that a
I'm gonna
lot.
play it when you get over here. You made it.
Mm-hmm.
Or you made it. Okay, let's go. I can't wait to see. Is this just the way up to the house again?
Mm-mm.
Ooh, I didn't know you could put that on. I didn't know you can make a beacon with emeralds. Ooh.
There's a kitty cat.
Oh, I really want to know where that parrot thing is. I don't know where you can find it. Yeah, I have a feeling this is just the way home.
Are you following the trail?
Mhm.
Okay. I'll stop going away from it.
I'm just following the trail. This is the way to the house.
How do you know?
Because we are up this hill.
We live in such a
Come on, ready?
place.
Let's go.
No, don't fly. You just swim.
Wait, it's a parrot.
Where?
There are parrots in the water. Do we follow the parrots or something?
Or we help it.
Ooh, let's go on this mountain.
We should make a boat.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Let's make a boat. I can't... Oh, I can swim. Okay, let's do this. I don't want to get inked on, so...
Did you guys know that you can go in a boat together? I think you.
I'm gonna be the one. I'm gonna be the
trees?
no. I'm gonna be the one riding the boat.
I'll be the one that's just sitting. I'll be the one helping you.
Okay.
Grab some wood.
Yeah.
I just found a random street. But
Should we speed up the process of us trying to build the boat?
But one thing that we need a crafting table that's at the house. I'll go craft it.
But the thing is so far away. Wait, no. I have an idea to get up to the house. I'll go by the crafting table.
Fine, but I'm getting more wood for you.
Okay, I'm gonna be by the crafting table.
No, don't go yet. We need a lot of wood.
Okay, well I'm gonna speed up the process of us trying to get wood.
Okay.
Get in.
Okay, I'm going to.
Wait, I want to see what this looks like. I want to see what this looks like from a different point of view. Well, this is cool. Turn. Well, this is cool. I love this. I like how you can put two people on a boat. And I also like how you can actually put a lead on the boat to make it look like oh, maybe we should save this parrot.
No.
No, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, you can actually put a lead on the boat, so you can actually make it look like it's like.
I'll tell you when it's sundown.
Okay, but where we can? Should we check out this land first? Let's check out this land. Ah. Are you gonna get out? Okay. Let me break it.
No, you need the lead.
We don't have a lead.
We could break some.
I don't know how to make a lead. I think you need cows.
There's a cow right there.
Let me look how you make leads. It should be in this one, I believe.
We do need some food.
Oh. Oh. We need a crafting table. I'll craft a crafting table. I need to know how you make.
We can't. I know it's not really cheating, but we cannot use our fireworks.
But that's how you actually get somewhere.
I know that, but we have a boat and legs. So.
Ah, we need a slime ball and string. I'll get a slime ball and string.
Okay.
Just gonna pause it when I get it.
Quiet.
Okay, I got the lead. I'm gonna. Well, first we need a fence.
I'm making some.
I'm just gonna make a fence. Fence
Okay, and I'll
right
use
away.
these woods to build the stuff.
Oh god, I need to place down the crafting table again. Okay, okay, fence. I've never seen what a boat looks like on a lead,
Me neither.
so I'm gonna look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna place the boat. Leash. Place down, and then it's actually like a boat. Do you want your own boat?
No.
Okay.
I like being with you.
Oh god, I really like how this looks. Oh my god, why do I like how this looks? Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh. Hey, I have some sticks. Wait, no,
Yeah,
why can't
I do that.
why can't I pick this up? I can't pick up these sticks for some. Oh, now I picked it up.
Here, I have one stick. Wait, no, I need that stick.
Oh, here. Here you go.
Thank you. Now we have 2. Where's that crafting table?
Oh, it's right by the boat.
No, you just placed it.
No, I didn't.
Did I saw you?
Fine, I did. Oh, just run all the way over there. So, Clara. I forgot what I was gonna say.
Do you want swords? Axes?
We
Like
might
a-
need an axe. I really want to know where that parrot
2 or 1?
thing is.
2?
2. There's parrots all over the water. Maybe they can take us to the pirate. Ink.
Do you need a chest?
Yes.
Do you need sticks?
Yes. We just need everything. Just every single thing. Every single. Why didn't we bring the beds? I should go get those. Okay, here I go.
Stop.
I need to get up on this tree so I don't, or so I can actually fly. Here we go. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Should I pick some things up at home?
Yeah, sure.
What?
Stuff.
Just stuff, okay. Okay. Island, here I come. It's just white. I was about to bang into a tree. Where is our house? Can't see it. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Maybe I can fly. Oh, I did fly. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. Beds. We need our beds. Got our 2 beds.
Find some more stuff there that we could use.
Okay, well, oh,
So
there's
I'm
a
surprised-
downstairs.
I'm surprisingly simple.
Right, okay. We don't need this.
You never knew that there was a downstairs?
I didn't look downstairs. We might need more elytra wings and more fireworks.
Just in case we do run out.
I like this house. It's like a tree house. I just grabbed all the fireworks. Should we leave some home?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I found a sign.
Cool.
By our doorway. Says, with elytra equipped, jump while you fly in the air. While flying, use firework rockets to speed your boost. Okay, I'm gonna look for some more stuff here.
Okay.
What else is in this chest? Nothing. Nothing. Water that we can't really do anything with. I don't think there is anything here that we need.
Wait, bring the bucket.
What bucket?
Never mind. Nothing.
There's a bucket?
Never mind. It's okay. I don't really need one. I'm just using
My books. Okay, I'm gonna come back now. Because, I have everything.
But you still can't look.
Wait, I could have sworn I was gonna get something.
You are.
What was I gonna get at the house?
Besides.
Alright. Where's the island that we were on? Just gonna flip back home. Just gonna. I can't. I can't. I'm above the clouds now. Okay, I gotta land on here first. I gotta turn my render distance up. I can't see anything. I know it helps the lag, but I can't see anything. Wait, is it in a profile? What was it in video? Yeah. I'm gonna turn it up to 12 chunks. Can I see more now? I mean, it's gotta load in, but... Let's go look. Can you see me anywhere?
No. I'm not even looking anywhere.
Wait, that's the house. So maybe it's this way. It's really hard to find this island that you're on. Because it's almost at night. Oh God.
I will be looking for more food on this island.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
hi.
Bye
You
you.
want to see what I got?
What?
Okay, come here. I made these while you were gone because I thought we would be needing them. Got this.
Hmm?
So I got this for you.
Oh. How'd you
This
get
for
that?
The iron over there. This for you.
You mean the stone?
Yeah, this for you. And then I got 2. And then you got 2 swords.
Wow. I'll keep one. I'll keep one of them in my inventory and one of them out.
Oh, and guess what I made?
What? A furnace. Good. Now we just need food. I'm gonna go get the food.
I got 3 meat, so let's go get some food too. I'll come with you.
Look.
Is it this?
Turn.
We found it!
Did we? I don't know. There's a parrot on it. This is definitely it.
Wait, we need a boat!
Right. Where's our boat?
Over here.
Let's. I don't want to get all wet. I mean, I'm already wet, but let's just go on the boat.
Just
Okay,
shake off.
I gotta turn my render distance down. Mine.
Okay, I'm going to break this
It's really
with
laggy.
my wooden pickaxe that I still have.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
got
you
it.
get everything ready. I'm gonna turn on my render distance.
I'm just gonna use my sword just in case. Okay, let's go.
Hold on, I'm coming. Okay,
We
good.
need
Now
meat,
it's not
though.
laggy. Well, we're not hungry. So really, we don't need meat right now. You break the fence.
I just got wet.
I'm gonna get in a boat. If I can.
There, that's the fence.
How come I? Oh,
It's in the boat.
bored. Did I just? Okay, bored. Okay, get in.
I'm in.
Let's go. Now you got. Okay, it's right there. I can't believe we found it.
Or you just spawned it. Or you just spawned it.
I can't spawn a whole island.
Never mind.
I don't know how to do that. Okay, come on. Let's put the lead on it. Or I'll put the lead on it, you put the fence on it.
I don't think I could put a fence on it.
No, I mean you put the fence. Okay. There we go. Now let's hold the sword just in case. Because there might be creatures here. The parrot looks so awesome.
Where's the parrot?
I don't know where the parrots are. Okay, this over here might be the opening. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it.
Until we get here. Oh, I got an apple.
Oh, found the opening.
Okay, good.
You know what this looks a lot like? Wait, there's arrows that shoot you down here. We need a torch. Furnace.
Good.
You need to get your furnace. I'm gonna get some wood, okay?
Oh, okay. Where should I place it? In here?
Yeah.
Or just should I place it outside?
Just place it in there.
Okay. Place it right here. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Place the crafting table down by it. Oh, maybe I did this wrong. Yeah, okay, good.
Where did you get coal?
No, I made some.
How can you make coal?
You grab the coal, okay? I'm gonna check upstairs if there's anything. Which I doubt there's anything up here. Yeah. We could turn this into a really nice place, you know?
A house.
A house. But I really like
The other one?
the other house. I love that one. Okay, now give me the torches after.
Okay. I'll make the torches because I don't have wood. So I have 1 piece of wood.
Are you gonna you have the charcoal.
Oh yeah, only 2. Here you go.
Okay, let me grab it. Or let me make the torches. Let me pause it till okay, I made the
There's nothing
torches.
up there.
I know, I already checked with her. Wait, there's like a line. There's like, hold on, wait. Hold on. Yeah, don't go over there. Don't go over there. What are these for? Do you think they do something?
Should I find out?
I think there's like a
pressed
line
it.
here that shoots you.
I'm gonna press another one.
Oh yeah, there's a line here. Let me break it. Okay, good. Let me break this one. Good, now it won't shoot. Now we can live peacefully.
We need torches.
See, this is what it was. Wait.
There's a line again.
Ooh. Don't go through it. No, don't. Oh, I love this. Tons of dye. We can color the beds.
I'm breaking this red stuff.
Yeah, sure. Break it. Can you grab the other red stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Here, you grab the rest of it. My inventory's full.
Mine isn't.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, Ooh. Oh, nothing was in the dispenser. What was supposed to be in the dispenser?
I found string.
Awesome.
And I found these sink thingies that look like sinks.
Should we, what are these levers for? I want to know. Nothing's really here. I really thought the pirate thing would be a lot more. I mean, it said
What
in
if this
there-
isn't the right one?
This is. It has parrots.
Where?
The parrots are right here.
What if this
Maybe
isn't-
there's another one.
That's what I was telling you.
Maybe we have to follow the parrot's
Is
face.
it right there? Because there's another parrot right there.
Let's go get the boat. You gotta tell me where to go, okay? Because I can't see.
But I just drive.
Oh yeah, that'd be better then. Where's the boat?
Right there.
I don't see it anywhere.
It's over here. See? Wee wee.
Where are you? Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna get in it first. You take the string. I'll break it. Like no wings. Okay, get in.
Hold on. Let me get over to this. We don't need this.
Wait, I have to figure out where it is again.
It's over there.
Okay.
Go.
God, this is hard to control.
Do you want me to control it?
No. Okay.
Go! Do you want me to control it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have to get out of the boat.
But should I go forward?
Press both of them.
Now I know how to do it.
Okay, good. Go. Lead us to it.
Okay. Just back up. Get forward. Just turn. And then.
Okay.
Turn. And then. And then back up. Okay. And then turn.
Are we almost there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can I try?
No, because you don't know what it is.
Well, you're literally getting nowhere. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Where is it?
Dolphins.
Yeah, dolphins. Right there. Go. Go to it. Or was that the island we were already on?
This is.
Wait, there's 2 islands we didn't go to. Does that have a parrot on it still? That does have a parrot on it. Should we go to it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go to it. I'm gonna pause it till we get there. Okay, so we found a little village, or Clara found a village. We're gonna go there and then see what's all in it.
Mm-hmm. And if we find diamonds,
Come on.
hooray for us.
I have the
I'm
leash.
just finding an underground thing.
Huh?
See?
We'll go there after. We just need to check out
But we
this
can't
village.
breathe underwater.
That's why we need to check out this village. To see if it has
Okay, I'm gonna
anything.
put that right there. Go forward. Okay, put the string on it.
I am. He just kind of ran away from me when I
Hmm.
tried coming. Okay, ready? Here we go. Do that. Oh. This. Put it
Can't stay
there.
in the village.
Okay.
There's
Ooh, it
another
has a
bird here.
parrot on it. Okay, let's just go in here. I'm gonna play it when we get in here. You forgot a window. Okay. I'm gonna check out some things.
Just saying, me and Blueberry.
Banners.
Me and Blueberry.
Are what?
Eating.
Are what? Chest.
I'll break the banners.
Boats. There's boats.
Grab them. I'll break the banners.
I don't have any inventory space.
I
We need to leave some things behind.
No,
But
it's okay.
we'll come back to the place, right?
No, it's okay. I have some stuff.
Okay.
Checks. I'll grab all the boats.
Well, I'm gonna play it till we can really find something interesting.
Oh my god, look at this.
Hey, Clara.
Yeah?
Come on, let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to the other place. Remember?
Oh, yeah. You can drive.
Can you grab the leash?
Mhm.
Or can you break it? Okay, get in.
Wait, I need to break this. I got 2 banners.
Mm-hmm. Are you in?
Okay.
This island?
Uh-huh.
What does this one have? Oh, parrot, right.
And then
I
we'll
thought
go
we
to
just
that
checked out this one.
No, we didn't.
Did we just like stop at this one? Okay, well, I'm gonna play it.
Are you going to release it?
I'm gonna pause it.
Let's go this way.
Let's go!
Go that way.
Wait. I'm going this way.
I'm just following you.
Okay. Parrot. Parrot's right here.
Wait for me.
Parrot. So what if you can go up its tail? You can go up the parrot. Or you can sort of go up
Stop
the parrot.
trying to.
I just went up the parrot. I'm getting a higher look. Come on, let's go.
Ooh.
Sure this island has nothing in, or sure this island has something in it.
Mhm.
Well, there's parrots all over it, so there's got to be something here. Unless
I'm
there's just
losing you.
trees.
I said I'm losing you.
I'm going up a tree right now. I can see your name.
I can't see yours. I can see yours.
There's nothing here. Let's go look for a different.
Everywhere?
Let's look for a different island. This just had a bird on it. I guess I don't know. But you said you found something else, right?
Mm-mm.
No, I could have sworn you saw something else.
Nope.
Yes, I could have sworn you did.
I didn't.
Maybe you didn't.
Should I write my own quote? No.
Can you move?
Mhm.
Okay. Get in.
Baby doll, when it comes to a lover, I promise that you'll never find another like me.
What is that thing in the sky?
What thing?
Where? Those up there. See those? Oh, those are just pine trees.
Let's go up there.
We didn't check this full place yet.
Mm-mm.
We kind of just saw the village and then just kind of left it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on. Place fence. Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Let's go look.
Let's look in more houses.
But we checked in all of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
No.
I did. I checked in all of them.
Okay. You never wait for me.
I'm grabbing some beans. Beans. Yep. Here. You want them?
Oh,
You're the one who has all the cocoa beans. Okay. Come on. Let's go right here. Step on here. Kind of just step on the house and then go to the other side. Well, do you think we should pause it till we find something interesting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We might also put these videos in episodes. So let's pause it till we find something interesting. It's such a beautiful garden. You're chewing again. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Where does this lead to? That's what I want to know. Like, where did this bridge? Okay, we found a bridge, but I want to know where it came from.
I want to know where the bridge is. Oh, there it is.
No, this isn't the right bridge. The one we found went to a different place. Or we're going to see where this came from. We're back in the place we were in.
That's weird.
Isn't that weird?
Mm-hmm.
But it seemed like a different island.
Yeah.
That was weird. Okay, well, we're gonna go to, I'm gonna play it when we can get to that bridge part we were talking about.
Mm-hmm.
But also, I'm gonna pause it when we're by the garden, because the garden is so beautiful. So beautiful.
Did you just fall off?
No. Bread!
Bread?
We need bread.
I'll go downstairs.
No, you get the bread. Get the bread.
Upstairs.
This leads to nowhere. Let's go outside to go on that bridge. Ooh, upstairs. There's an upstairs. Oh, this is where you go to do the bridge, I think. There's an up upstairs.
Do you mind?
Ooh, yeah, sure. I'm gonna play when you get up here. Okay, here it is. Come on. Let's go down here. Wrong way. We need to go this way. How do we do this? Sorry, leaves. Leaves.
This is like a hotel mystery.
Are you kidding me?
No. What?
You disconnected! Okay, we went on top of the big snowy mountain, which was right next to the bridge. We chose to come up here instead.
It's so cold. I have a day for... Look on the side of you.
I can't see that. Wait, come on. We found something interesting. Oh, no. She found something interesting. What is it? I can't... It's a whole thing of emeralds.
What?
Oh my god, it's all emeralds. Oh my gosh. This is so...
Oh my god, we have to do this.
Oh my god, I was gonna end the video on top of the mountain, but oh my god, this looks so beautiful.
I can't end it. We can't end it like this.
It's up above clouds. Oh my god.
We can't end
It's so
this.
beautiful.
No, we cannot end this.
It's so beautiful. Oh my god, why is it so beautiful?
Now you're starting.
Clara, where are you?
Oh, but I don't want to leave.
No, we have to check out this place and then we have to leave.
Armor stand. The skeleton head on an armor stand.
The whole thing's made of almost emeralds.
I'm stealing this.
No,
armor.
isn't this the thing that it was telling us? It was like Ooh.
I need this.
Clara,
Sorry.
this is Hall of Hardy something, whatever it
Who are
says.
you?
Whoa. Whoa, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Clara! It's a big parrot!
It is. Let's go inside of here.
It's gold. Has
There's parrots
gold.
in here.
Let me see, where? I can't, you're not by me. No, there's
But
a
it's
big...
trained. How come you can train birds?
You can train birds. Where are you? Which building are you in?
I'm in the ginormous one that's here.
The one that has a dabbing armor stand?
Yes.
Or not a dabbing armor stand, but there are parrots in here. They're all sitting. Wait, they're named. This one's Pete. Oh, it's a dance thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's this one? Where's the other ones? Do other ones are named? Are the other ones named?
I never saw that mountain before.
Where are you?
Over here.
Wait, I'm coming. Maybe we should end the video on that mountain that I can't see. But I really love this place. We can always come back to it.
And make another video.
Yep. Come on, let's go.
I can't stop there.
Wow.
I just can't stop.
Oh my god.
Let's go over there.
Where's the mountain? I can't see anything.
Come here.
I don't know where you are.
I went out of the place. I'm right here. Why are you going?
I can't see anything.
Sorry, but I'm going to the mountain.
I don't know where the mountain is.
Just I'll make no. Okay, I'll make you TP.
Shouldn't it just be over there?
You're looking in the wrong direction. I'll TP you to me, okay?
No, I mean, where's the mountain?
I'll TP you to me when I'm there, got it?
No, because I want to go there too. Ow. Ooh, I think I just went there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. Oh, it's so
Found it.
beautiful. It's a big garden.
Stay right there. See, I told you. I never saw something like that.
See, we have to fly there. We have to end up there because it's so beautiful. I just have to figure out how to get there. By flying.
By flying.
No.
Let's just swim, okay? I have another boat.
You know swimming won't work.
Yeah, right.
Try swimming. It's not gonna work.
Let's just climb.
You can climb. I'm gonna fly.
Flying, cheating.
Actually, it gave us this. So we didn't cheat. Okay, we'll use this. Come on! Boop, 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 boops, 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 boop, boop. Whoa, up here's pretty. Up here is so pretty. I can't see. Oh, it's a big parrot. And I missed it. And I'm gonna die. And I spawned right where I set the spawn point.
What was that?
Far away.
Great.
I'm gonna teleport to you.
Okay.
Where are you?
Move.
I can't. Oh.
Move.
Ow. Sorry, you hit me.
You're welcome.
Oh, come on. It doesn't even look like you're even going to the right mountain. Are you going to the right mountain?
Mm-hmm. Why?
Because I don't remember seeing this desert.
There is no desert.
I was right by a desert.
I wasn't.
Ooh, it's so pretty up here. Oh, it's so pretty up here. It's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. Okay, we made it up here. I found by the big parrot. She's still down there. I'm gonna pause it because I don't want this
Right
video.
here.
Where? I don't want the voices to be off, so I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna fly down in the water. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is such a beautiful place, but we can always come back up here.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Woo! Woo! I don't want to die, just in case.
I died.
Oh,
And I don't
my god,
know
it's so
my
pretty.
stuff.
It's so pretty. It's so
And I'm
pretty.
back in a dumb old village.
Oh.
Great. Back in the village.
No, you're not. Let me see. But I just set the spawn point. Okay.
You said your spawn
no,
point.
kill yourself. Kill yourself. I set the spawn point. Kill yourself. I'm gonna play it when Clara comes here.
Okay.
Here. Okay, I need myself to have night vision, and I don't need the breathing underwater.
Let's go.
Okay, I know I'm looking for it. Where is it?
But where is that thing?
It should be over
I
here.
found it.
Where?
Follow me.
Where are you going?
Right here.
Over where I was gonna go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there it is.
You're welcome.
Ooh, thank you. Good. Ooh, I think I know what this place is.
Hmm.
The thing that has gold.
You mean we're gonna be rich?
Yeah. We're gonna be rich.
We're gonna be rich. We're gonna be rich. Our Minecraft people are gonna be rich.
Yes, our Minecraft people are going to be rich. I think.
There's stuff down here.
Where?
Time to check for it.
Okay. You check down there, I'll check in here.
Okay.
You check in there, I'll check in here. Hey, do you know where you are? Or definitely you know where you are. I need to know where you are. I need to know where you are. You don't need to know where I am. Just kidding.
Come on.
I'm just kidding. Okay,
This
did you like turn or something? Cause I can't find you anywhere.
I can't find you.
I can see your name. Where's your name?
I'll
Where's your
wake up.
name? Where's your name? Hey, there you are. Just let me. You like. Hi. What is this place?
Mm-hmm. There's thousands of rooms down here.
I know there's thousands and thousands of rooms. Cause this is where the Ender Guardian goes. So
Is the Ender Garden here?
no, it's on peaceful, so they don't come. Maybe we should get out of here.
No.
Like, stop the video.
What if it's in here? Break this.
Break what? Oh, it is in there. Why are you in there?
No.
Oh, I think it's in here. Oh, it is!
The gold?
Yep. It's in here. Yeah, we found it. See?
Coming. Break it. I'm gonna die.
Come up. There's air right here. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to grab my pickaxe.
Okay, you grab your pickaxe. You need an iron pickaxe.
I do.
You don't have an iron pickaxe. Here you go. Here is your iron pickaxe. Did you grab it? Did you grab it?
Mm-mm.
You didn't?
No.
Here. Now you grabbed it. Okay. I'm gonna play it when you collect all the gold and we go to that really pretty place. Okay, Clara, break a block. Break this block, okay? Break that one. Break that one. The one where I'm by. Where are you?
Okay.
Come down here.
Where?
Break this one, okay? I want to watch it flow around, okay? It will fly. It will just fly around. See? It's just flying around. You know, I'm gonna slash kill myself.
Don't wait.
I have to.
Kill myself. Nice rich.
Here, I'm gonna bring you to the pretty place. Ooh, can I have some of that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. I brought myself to you. I need to bring you to me. Okay, I died. I gotta bring you to me. Teleport who? Clara, where? Pumpkin pie. Or blueberry. Can I have some gold if I trade you something?
Yeah, sure.
I'll trade you a bed if I can have some gold.
Deal. Not green.
But, oh,
Fine.
here. Do you want pink?
Yeah.
Okay. Gold. I need gold. Thank you.
I'm gonna place my
8
bed.
gold. We're rich.
How do I store it?
You carry it. Here, you might need the crafting table that we left in the temple.
I have a crafting table right here.
Okay, good. I'm gonna, oh, I just took your bed. Okay, this is the end of the video. Oh, look, I made a heart on the flower.
Bye!
Okay, this will be the end of the video. Please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And these will be in episodes, but just so you know that Clara's skin is not permanent. They will be changed to... Why do you keep saying that? Come on, say something else.
Make sure to subscribe and things like that. Everything that Blueberry says in her videos. So.
Okay.
Hold on.
Well, We will see you in our next video. Blue is out, and so is Clara.
Clara is out.
And everything is out, and everything. Did I mention that please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos?
You said it.
Okay. I feel like I'm missing something that I need to say.
Mm-mm.
Am I
I love
missing
you.
something? Okay, bye!